Have you ever been told that you have your mom's eyes or your dad's nose? I know I have. Traits like this gets passed down, and that is the fundamental principle of biology and reproduction. But it is a miracle that it works at all. Think about it. Your body has over 30 trillion cells. Your brain cells, your kidney cells, and so on. And each one of them is doing a completely different job. Yet, every single one of them started from one fertilized egg. And that egg had to become you. And to do that, it had to make the right cells at the right time and in the right place. And this must happen perfectly every single generation, or we'd all be in serious trouble. But there is even one cell that has more responsibilities, the germ cells. And these are the cells that become your egg and your sperm. The germ cells carry the genetic instruction to build the next human, your children, your grandchildren, and every generation after you. So they must never lose their identity. If a germ cell forgets it's supposed to be a germ cell, and then it starts to act like a kidney or a brain cell, then it can no longer make healthy eggs or sperm. And the result? Infertility, no next generation, the line ends there. And this is why 1 in 8 couples struggle to conceive. So here's the central question in our lab. How do these germ cells remember who they are generations after generations for millions of years? What is really protecting them? And that is where my research comes in. Using a tiny roundworm called C. elegans, I'm hunting for the molecular shield that protects these germ cells from losing their identity. And our lab has found one of those molecular shields, a protein called LODA1, as you can see on my slide. LODA1's job is to keep the wrong genetic instructions silent in the germ cells. So I asked, what happens if this shield fails? And using gene editing technology, I removed the LODA1 protein. And immediately, genetic instruction that should never be active in the germ cells became turned on loudly. But here's what surprised me. Fertility did not crash immediately. Instead, it declined slowly over generations until the worms became completely infertile. And this taught me something critical, that LODA1 is absolutely essential for fertility. And this is not just a worm story, because the protein that I study has a human version. And so by understanding how the worms protect their germ cells, we get closer to understanding why infertility happens in humans and how we can prevent or treat it. So the next time someone says you have your mom's smile, remember, molecular shield like LODA1 protected that blueprint for thousands of generations to get it to you. Thank you.